Good morning. Happy Monday. More importantly, happy last week of your freshman year. As crazy as it is, we are at the end. This is it. This is the final stretch. You are almost done. So before I say anything else, let me just go over what you need to finish for me, okay? So if you look at the little chalkboard thing there on my cute little Bitmoji screen, you need to make sure your personal narrative is submitted by Wednesday at noon. Okay, so I had included the rubric, everything you need to know there. Just a short story, make sure there's dialogue, make sure there's good detail, make sure that you focus on a small event, that there's a story, that there's a good intro and a good conclusion, that the grammar is good, um, all of that. Okay, so that needs to be submitted by Wednesday at noon. Obviously, you can turn it in early. That would be wonderful because then I could read them and get them in the grade book earlier. And then the only other assignment you have is a Flipgrid video that I would like for you to complete by Thursday at noon. It is a short video, just a reflection on the year. It's already posted in Classroom. So if you want to do that early, by all means, go for it. Do it early. Okay, the more that's submitted early for me, the better, because then I won't have so much to do at the last minute. But you have until Wednesday for your personal narrative and Thursday for your Flipgrid. So the only other thing left to do is say goodbye, and I have already been emotional thinking about what I would say on this video as I tried to plan it out. And I realized I couldn't plan it out because I was like crying just writing it. But I want you all to know that I have loved being your teacher. This year has been amazing. You have made my year fabulous. And excuse me, I haven't had a group of students who I've just looked forward to seeing as much as I looked forward to your classes for a long time. So thank you for that. Thank you for making every day just fun. Thank you for making me laugh. Thank you for taking things in stride, for welcoming Mrs. Hughesman into our room, for transitioning so well when she left. You're just an excellent, excellent class. And I feel really, really lucky to have spent time with you. And I have said time and time again when people have asked how I'm doing with remote learning that the one thing that I am the most upset about is that my year with you all got cut short. I just really value you and I think you are amazing. And I'm really sad that I lost my last quarter with you. And I would give anything to be able to be your sophomore teacher next year. Um, to be able to be the sophomore honors English teacher. I'm not, I already know my schedule, but I would love it if I was. So don't be a stranger. Oh my gosh, I'm crying. This is stupid. Don't be a stranger, okay? Pop into my classroom next year. Shoot me emails this summer. Um, Chat with me through Instagram. I don't know. Just know that I really care about you, that I am very blessed to have known you, and that I look forward to continuing to get to know you in the next couple of years. So, anyway, enough about that. I'm so sorry. I hope you have a great summer. You have earned it. You have done fabulously through this remote learning. I'm so proud of you. I'm so proud of all of us, but I'm extremely proud of how well you've handled it. This was unprecedented, and hopefully it will never in a million years happen again. Hopefully we'll be back to normal in the fall, even though we probably won't, but hopefully. But anyway, just know that I love you, and I mean that. I don't just say that. I really have loved getting to know you, each and every single one of you. And I hope you have a great summer, and I hope you get to relax and do things you love and see your friends. And I miss you. I really do. So just be blessed, and we'll talk soon. Okay, bye.